Let's quickly look at the history of GST. The reform of India's indirect tax regime was started in 1986 when modified value-added tax was introduced. A single common goods and services tax was proposed and given a go-ahead by the cabinet in 1999. A committee was set up headed by the Finance Minister of West Bengal, Asim Das Gupta, to design a GST model and to develop the back-end technology and logistics for GST implementation. In 2005, the Kelkar Committee recommended rolling out GST. After the change in government in 2004, the new government continued to work on GST and proposed a GST rollout by 1st of April 2010. However, due to political instability in the subsequent years, GST rollout was delayed. In March 2011, the UPA government introduced the 115th Constitutional Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha to bring out the GST. The bill was opposed by the opposition parties and was referred to a standing committee headed by the BJP's former Finance Minister Yashwant Sinha. The committee submitted its report in August 2013, but in October 2013, Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi raised objections that led to the bill's indefinite postponement. The bill eventually lapsed after the Bharatiya Janata Party-led NDA government was elected into power in 2014 Lok Sabha election. 7 months after the formation of the Modi government, the new Finance Minister Arun Jaitley introduced the GST bill in the Lok Sabha, where the BJP had a majority. In May 2016, the Lok Sabha passed the Constitutional Amendment Bill, paving way for GST. However, the opposition led by the Congress demanded that the GST bill be again sent back for review to the Select Committee of the Rajya Sabha due to disagreements on several statements in the bill relating to taxation. Finally, in August 2016, the amendment bill was passed. Over the next 15 to 20 days, 18 states ratified the Constitutional Amendment Bill and President Pranab Mukherjee gave his assent to the bill. After the enactment of various GST laws, goods and services tax was launched all over India with effect from 1st of July 2017. The Jammu and Kashmir State Legislature passed its GST Act on 7th of July 2017, thereby ensuring that the entire nation is brought under a unified indirect taxation system. The GST was launched at midnight on 1st of July 2017 by the President of India. The launch was marked by a historic midnight session of both the Houses of Parliament convened at the Central Hall of the Parliament. It was boycotted by the opposition. Members of the Congress boycotted the GST launch altogether. They were joined by the members of the Trinamool Congress, Communist Parties of India and the DMK. The parties reported that they found virtually no difference between the GST and the existing taxation system, claiming that the government was trying to merely rebrand the current taxation system. They also argued that the GST would increase existing rates on common daily goods while reducing rates on the luxury items and affect many Indians adversely, especially the middle, lower middle and poorer income groups. So was it the case? Let's find out in the next video.